Wattle Health was founded approximately 5 years ago in 2011. Wattle Health Australia is a Australian-made, quality-based company that concentrates and specialises in nutritional-based products that range from infancy to maturity. Wattle Health has 27 formulated products, of which 7 have been commercialised both in Australia and overseas. Our 7 commercialised products range with a full cream milk powder product that sells in Australia, as well as 3 infant formula based products, so a stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 with an Australian specification that sells locally here in Australia, and also a stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 infant formula range that sells in China on the retail shelves via our already accreditation of our CIQ registration. Our growth strategy is to concentrate on delivering what I call our 27 formulated products, both locally and abroad. The way we're going to do that is use our 5-point marketing plan that we've developed internally. In terms of our vision is to be renowned both locally and overseas as a quality-based organisation that looks after and that cares to all consumers' needs from a nutritional, quality and safety perspective. We have what's known as CIQ approval. So our product in layman's terms is able to be sold not only online in China, but also on the retail shelves within China. That's something that one of very few organisations out of Australia can actually claim and can actually deliver on. So for us, our strategy has always been to make sure that we have homegrown sales, and our homegrown sales, we have an exclusive partnership with the JR Duty Free, James Richardson Duty Free stores, and we're ranged in all their stores. And the purpose behind that is to not only capture certain local shoppers, but also to capture that are travelling overseas obviously, but also to capture the transient shopper that's going back to their abroad destination, so that they can actually see that we have a locally made Australian produced product that's selling in our local economy. Glenister and I are the 2 co-founders of the organisation. I've been involved in what I call the lean manufacturing and Six Sigma industries in providing excellence programs of understanding the full end-to-end spectrum of the manufacturing process around a number of different industries. Martin similarly has also been involved in the corporate sales and marketing space amongst a couple of different diverse industries, as well as building companies from a inception to a successful position both locally and abroad. One of our non-executive directors is Peter Biantes. Peter Biantes comes with an abundance of experience within the dairy space, having been involved in that industry for over 30 years, as well as being a CPA. The other gentleman is Eric Jiang. Eric currently sits on 2 other boards of 2 other publicly listed companies. So he brings a certain amount of public company experience that we felt we required on the board, as well as Eric, both from a cultural and diversity perspective, has extensive contacts within the Asian space and in particular China. For us, it's quite important to have a very strong sales and marketing presence and a very strong and dedicated approach to drive brand awareness with the right key opinion leaders, with the right brand ambassadors, to make sure that we get our message and our ranging out there to the consumer. As well as obviously doing that, we're going to need to commercialise the remaining products that we have formulations for. So one of our key attributes will be to further develop, enhance and actually commercialise the current formulations that we have, and further commercialise the 7 existing products that are already out there in the marketplace.